Among all my workshops, programs, and events, Rainbow Lisa has been by far the most special event. We get very less chances in life to dance freely into fitness and let go ourselves in rain.
When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon.
This is Shelly. I have come here to attend Rainbow Liza, organized by the great Chunky Chok, and I hope this is going to be a rocking event. We are going to have loads and loads of fun, all in the rain, water.
And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we have, the love we share, this is why we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we have, the love we share, this is what we're waiting for.